finding coefficient of particular term of binomial expansion. So here we are going to find out the coefficient of particular term of any binomial expansion. So here we know that if the binomial is of x plus y raised to the power of n as the exponent, so here its expansion will be of nc0 into x to the power of n minus 1, n minus 0 into y to the power of 0, then plus the second term will be of nc1 into x to the power of n minus 1 into y to the power of 1 plus dash dash, then n plus 1th term will be of, so here nc n into x to the power of n minus n into y to the power of n. So here we are going to, based upon that formula, so we are going to find out the coefficient of any particular term of a binomial expansion. So here under this, so we are going to perform one illustration, that is the example number 1. So in this example, so we are going to find the coefficient of x cube in the expansion of 3x plus 4 whole to the power of 6. So now the solution starts. So in our solution, as per the problem, the binomial which is given to us is of 3x plus 4 whole power 6. So here 3x plus 4 whole power 6 is the given binomial. So in this given binomial, as per the binomial theorem, so here we can assume, so here this exponent, that is 6 of this binomial, as n, small n is equals to 6, then later, so here we are going to suppose, so here x, that is x in the x plus y whole to the power of n, as x as this 3x, then now, so y term as this 4. But here we have to find out the coefficient of x cube. In order to find out the coefficient of x cube, so here in this, since the n is equals to 6, this is the exponent of the binomial is of 6, then number of terms in the binomial expansion is given by means of n, then equals to 1 greater than, so 1 more than the exponent of the binomial. So here exponent of the binomial is denoted by means of the letter, that is n, small n. So here n plus 1, small n plus 1 gives us the number of terms in the binomial expansion. So here that equals to, small n is given by means of the value 6. So here 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So in this manner we got capital N. So here capital N is equals to 7. So this capital N indicates the number of terms of the binomial expansion. So here, in order to find out the coefficient of this x cube in the expanded form, or the expansion of this binomial, that is 3x plus 4 whole to the power of 6, and whereas in the next logical step, whereas here capital N is nothing but the number of terms in the binomial expansion, is equals to seven. So here we got n as 7. The term in the expansion of the binomial, that is 3x plus 4 whole to the power of 6. So there will be of the term which consists of x cube. So we have to find out the coefficient of x cube. So here the required term, the formula by means of this required term, in which x cube occurs is given by means of number of terms in binomial expansion, that is given by means of capital N minus the exponent of the variable, the exponent of variable of particular term. So here in our problem, as per the problem, we have to find out the coefficient of x cube. So here the particular term will consist, the required term will consist that x cube. So here the exponent of this particular term, that is 3. So here exponent of this particular term will be of 3. So now, so that implies in order to get the required term, number of terms in the binomial expansion is of 7, that is 7 minus, so exponent in that particular required term of the variable. So variable is of x, we have to find out the coefficient of this x cube. So in order to find out the coefficient of x cube, so exponent of the variable, so variable is x, its coefficient is of, its exponent is of 3. So here we have to subtract this 3. So that is equals to, so 3 is of negative sign and 7 is of positive sign. In order to simplify further, plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, that is 7 minus 3 is of 4. So to assess the sign here, among 7 and 3, 7 is greater than 3. So 7 sign is of positive, so therefore it assesses sign of positive. So here 4 is nothing but the required term, 4 is nothing but the fourth term, which is the required term. So here therefore the required term is equals to fourth term, which can be denoted by means of mathematically T4. So here we have to find out the T4, which consists x cube. So from the term T4, so we can find out the coefficient of that x cube. Then now, so here we know that general term, that is gen term of binomial expansion is given by means of T r plus 1 is equals to NCR into x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. So from this formula, so we have to find out the T4, that is the fourth term. So in order to find out the fourth term, we require n. So here the binomial expansion is of, the given binomial expansion is of 3x plus 4 whole to the power of 6 is the given binomial, in which, so here n is of 6, small n is of 6, and here x value is of 3x and y value is of 4. But here we know TR plus 1 is equals to NCR into x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r, whereas in this we are going to substitute all these values in order to get the term which is 4 or the fourth term. So here T4 is equals to T, we have to write as a r plus 1, 4 can be written as 1 plus, we have to write 4 as, we have to split 4 as r plus 1, so here 1 plus, so here in the place of r we are going to write 3 in order to get this 4. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So here this is of r plus 1, so here r value is of 3 now. So r is equals to 3, we can replace r is equals to 3 and n is equals to 6 and x is equals to 3x and y is equals to 4 in order to get the fourth term, that is equals to n value. So n is of 6 c r, so here r value is of 3 into x to the power of n minus r. So x must be replaced by means of this 3x whole to the power of n minus r. So here n value is of 6 minus r value is of 3 again. So here into y value, so y value is of 4 whole to the power of r. So r is of 3 again. So that equals to, that implies 63. In order to get the value of 63, so that is equals to, based upon this formula, that is NCR is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So based upon this formula and as well as, so here n factorial can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 dash dash into n. So based upon these two logical steps, we can find out the value of 63, whereas in this the n value, so here NCR, n value is of 6 and r value is of 3. So here equals to n factorial, that is 6 factorial. So divided by, so we can write it as n is equals to 6 and r is equals to 3. So 6 factorial divided by n minus r, 6 minus 3 factorial into r factorial as 3 factorial. So that equals to, or that implies 6 factorial can be written as per this formula, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 6 factorial can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 divided by 6 minus 3 is of 3, that is 3 factorial is written as 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 factorial again can be written as 1 into 2 into 3. So here by cancellation 1 into 2 into 3 and 1 into 2 into 3 will be gets cancelled. 2 3s is of 6 and the numerator 6 will be gets cancelled, then that is equals to 4 5s is of 20, 20 overall divided by this 1, but 20 by 1 is equals to 20. So in this manner I got, therefore, so here 63 value is of 20. So by substituting this 63 value, that is 20, in the next logical steps, so instead of 63 I am going to substitute it as 20 into 3x to the power of whole to the power of 6 minus 3 is of 3, and here 4 cube, 4 must be repeatedly multiplied thrice. So here 4 cube is equals to 4 into 4 into 4, 4 fourths is of 16, 16 fourths is of 64. So instead of 4 cube, so I can write as 64. So that implies 20 into 3x whole to the power of 3 based upon this formula, that is ab whole power m. It can be written as a power m into b power m. Here instead of a there is of 3 and instead of b there is of x. So here it is splitted as a power m into b power m. So here exponent is applicable for both a and as well as b. So this applicable, so this will be applicable for both 3 and as well as x. So here 3 cube repeatedly multiplied thrice. So 3 must be repeatedly multiplied thrice. 3 into 3 is of 9, 9 3 is of 27. So 27 x cube. So into 64. So that implies, so 20 into 27, 27 2s is of 54. So here 27 2s is of 54. Then 0 must be attached here. So x cube into 64. Then now that implies, so 54 into 64. So here 64 into 54, 4 4s is of 16 carry. Then now 4 6 are 24 plus 1 is of 25. Then now 5 4s is of 20 carry. Then now 5 6 is of 30, 30 plus 2 is of 32. Then now 6, 5 plus 0 is of 5, 2 plus 2 is of 4, and this is of 3. So here 3456 followed by this 0. Then now x cube must be written as it is. So we have multiplied only 64 and 54. So 64 into 54 is of 3456, but these 0 must be attached here. So x cube as x cube. But here, therefore, so your fourth term is consisting x cube. That is, x cube quotient will be of 34,560. So here in the next logical step I say here T4 is equals to, so therefore T4, the fourth term is equals to 3456 followed by 0 and x cube. So here 3456 followed by 0 and x cube. Then now here the fourth term is consisting x cube, then x cube's quotient is of 34,560. Hence the coefficient of x cube in the binomial expansion is 34,560.